Tension prevails in Medzifima subdivision of Nagaland following violent clashes in Maova Kuki village under Chukokidima district, prompting deployment of security forces to prevent a further escalation of violence. The unrest, reportedly involving members of Chakroma public organization, led to incidents of violence and arson, though the exact trigger for scuffle is yet to be officially confirmed. The clash involved Angami Naga tribe and Kuki tribe. Meanwhile, Deputy Chief Minister Yanthungo Patan expressed deep concern over the incident. In a post on X, Patan said that the acts of violence and arson disrupting the peace and endangering lives and property are serious matter. He urged all those involved to remain calm, exercise restraint, and allow lawful and constructive processes to address any grievances. On the other hand, Deputy Commissioner of Police Manipur has issued a press note stating that the situation is presently under control and security forces have been deployed and normal traffic movement has been restored. While calling the incident in Medzifima as unfortunate, Deputy Commissioner of Police advised the public to maintain peace and not to take the law into their own hands.